Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my analysis. Today is March 12th, approximately 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, we're going to go over just a few of the cryptos, as well as the gold and silver market, as well as the US dollar and the equities market. So, we're going to try to knock this out in less than 5 minutes. So, Ripple continues to find support between the dollar range, right? Under a dollar. I still see some buyers coming in. Again, like I said, when it comes to Ripple, this is really inexpensive. You're looking at just under a dollar. And at these levels here, I'm not looking for pennies. I'm looking for dollars in value here. So again, under $1.20, I like Ripple all the way down around 30 cents. So again, if you can buy anywhere between 30, I'm not saying that it's going to go to 30. It continues to find support here at the 80-cent range. Last night it went down to around 75 cents. But again, ultimately, I expect this whole area here to be very supportive of the Ripple prices. If I'm looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin broke through this level here. Again, we're looking for higher highs and higher lows, right? So as of right now, Bitcoin is having a hard time getting above this area here. But obviously, the more we test this area, the more likely it is for us to break it, right? So we have a few tests here on the 11,000 and a half area. Last couple days we've had a little bit of a sell-off, but a really nice engulfing candle here. This is a very bullish candle right here. All right, so this could signal a false breakdown, and usually false breakdowns usually lead to quick moves in the opposite direction. So again, if the move that you would have wanted to see here on Bitcoin, if you were shorting, is a break below support, now turn resistance. You come and test resistance, and from resistance you continue to drop. So that's not what happened. This could continue to go back up to the 11 and a half area. Again, a move above 11 and a half will be very, very positive for Bitcoin. And a move above this area here, which is really the main level of resistance when it comes to this whole area here, a move above 13,000 would prove to be very, very bullish. So who knows, maybe the market is beginning to turn around now. We can also look at this trend line here. Let's see if we can match anything here. Yeah, so it looks like as of right now, Bitcoin is respecting this long-term trend line here. So even if you see a move back down to the $7,000 range, we should find some support here. So as far as Bitcoin is concerned, again, any prices under $10,000, if you ask me, will be very positive. I would see a breakout going much higher, maybe to the $30,000 or $40,000 range. That's Bitcoin. Let's look at the equities. So the equities right now in a nice bear flag, a huge sell-off over here. Just a tremendous sell-off at around 26,000. Came up, and it currently looks like it's forming some sort of a flag. So again, a breakout of that flag could be very positive or negative. So if you break down below this area here, the 24,000, chances are this thing is going to come down to the $20,000 range, 20-point range. But again, usually these flags, I usually like these flags to be a bit more like that, right? So anytime we look at these flags and they're very, very tight, that's usually not a good indicator. The flag doesn't become as good. It can technically, but I just personally don't like them. But nonetheless, it's still a flag, and we're going to respect that. And as far as silver is concerned, let's look at silver here on the daily chart, and let's see what silver's been doing. All right, or let's look at the monthly chart. This is really the chart that I wanted to look at, so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. So again, you have a little bit of a flag here, right? Breaks through that flag, comes down. You have another flag over here, breaks up out of that flag, very positive for the metal. And now what you have is looks like to be another flag with a false breakdown here. I anticipate that the market is probably going to find some support in around 15 and a half range. I really don't see it falling down too further below 15 and a half. And from here, I do expect this flag to be a positive flag and to continue to go up. So again, silver at around 16 and a half, 15 and a half, tremendous buy, because I think the next level for silver is going to be between 23 and $26, possibly even higher. That's for silver. And of course for gold, I've mentioned before, it looks like we have an inverted head and shoulders here, and that inverted head and shoulders is very bullish. Once we surpass this 1375 level, we're looking very positive, and we're looking to test the $1,500 range, which is this level of support now turned resistance. So we're looking to test this level here. Like I said, I think by the end of this year, gold will test the $1,500 range. That's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.